Countable nouns, making your English count. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into a very important part of English grammar, countable nouns. If you've ever wondered why we say 2 apples, but not 2 rice, this video will clear up your doubts. So, get ready to expand your English knowledge. So, what exactly are countable nouns? Well, as the name suggests, these are the nouns that we can count. They represent items, people, or concepts that can be separated and counted as individual units. For example, books, trees, dogs, are all countable nouns. You can have 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, and so on. Identifying countable nouns is usually straightforward. If you can add a number before a noun and it makes sense, then it's likely a countable noun. So words like table, cat, car, and pen are all countable because you can have 1, 2, 3, or more of them. Most countable nouns have both singular and plural forms. The singular form is used when there is only 1 item, and the plural form is used when there are 2 or more items. For example, book, singular, becomes books, plural, and child, singular, becomes children, plural. Remember, the plural form of countable nouns usually ends in s or s, but there are many irregular nouns in English as well. Here's a key point. We usually use articles a, an, and the with countable nouns. For example, we say a cat, an apple, or the book. However, a and an are only used with singular countable nouns, while the can be used with both singular and plural countable nouns. Countable nouns can also be used with quantifiers like many, few, a lot of, a number of, several, etc. These words help to indicate the quantity of the noun. For instance, many dogs, a few tables, a lot of pens. And that's it for our lesson on countable nouns. It's one of those fundamental concepts that will make your English sound more natural and accurate. So remember, if you can count it, it's a countable noun. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Until our next lesson, happy learning!